gives you nose laughing gas. He's like, and I went in one day and he goes, what's wrong? I said, I have a headache. And he cranked it up. I was like, I have a headache now. But I couldn't even sit up. He goes, sit here for a few minutes.
Kids go to him? But who do you go to?
Richard Miller in Ravenna. Right by the library.
Okay. Because I need to find a family dentist. I've just been going here and there.
Love him.
PJ needs to get in and get a couple people out.
Let me put it this way. Here, take this and let me go over and talk.
How can I, when holding the camera, I'm keeping the ground? Ow!
He's got like 4 or 5 teeth that are not there. So they'll never come in. And some of his baby teeth are pushing backward because the adult tooth is not there to push down. And implants and stuff.
You might have to have 2 teeth pulled on the lever to have the adults have room to come up because they're down there, but they're not hitting the roots, they're reaching the roots, so you can't come up.
He went to the pediatric dentist before. And they said he's missing like 4 or 5 adults.
But, yeah, he's doing Peyton, but he went in and inspected and I still smell it here because he worked hard to do kisses from him. I mean, that's just what he does. Yeah. He's got great.
Behind you! Devin, behind you!
If you look at his advertisement in the paper, it's the family dentist.
Okay,
go!
Yeah. And, nice try, Pace! And, when he went into Peyton, he was like, hey, so you playing behind your dad at a game tonight? And he goes, oh, did you go to any basketball camp? He goes, no, I didn't go to Maryland because we didn't have the money to go. And he said, you come to me next summer when you want to go to a camp with a 10th state or freshman year, and you're going to go because I'm going to put you in. Wow, that's awesome. And then we were talking about going to get those CDs. You heard that, right? You need to go to Maryland and get 2 CDs from America. We got plasma. Wide back. But we just need to get to Maryland and get them. And I was saying I don't know how we're going to do that. Now he is in there.
Right,
he has tip tape and stuff that he does businesses. So now I'm taking his van to Maryland.
Going him for like years or?
Probably like 8 years. He never makes me pay my bill.
Ask what insurance does he take, but
he takes whatever your insurance will pay, and then you have to pay on top of it. But you know, they'll bill any insurance.
So if they accept anything.
So like if our cleaning's 110 and the insurance will pay 80, I have to pay 30 on it.
Like I went into one and I had to pay. Oh, good job, dude! I had to pay the whole bill, and then the insurance would reimburse me. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I wish I would have known that.
And you tell him you're from me, and he'll treat you like you're a queen, because that's what he tells everybody.
I'll do that. Because I got to get PJ in somewhere, so.
Yeah, and they only take, like, you can't just say, I'm calling to be a new patient. Patty Floyd referred me. Oh, okay. That's how, only way he takes patients. No, you guys should call him. He's wonderful.
I think I will, because I would like to get him in before school.
Yeah. And they usually don't do anything on Mondays. Mondays are special appointments, like if you need to have a root canal or like Peyton having his teeth pulled. He saves that for Mondays. And they do Saturdays a couple times a month. And
Fridays, you don't do Fridays.
296-4444.
Nice.
296-4444 because you are like the best with the numbers.
I finally got the 676 on yours. I can remember the 4 hard ones, I just didn't know the beginning.